Alright, I'm mobbing. Gonna go meet Josh. He needs to bleed his coolant system. He doesn't know how. And we're gonna go to a car meet after. Yeah. And he's making me skate all the way to his house. I have such good friends, huh? Some girl just started yelling at me because I was in the street. She's pretty cute. Everyone's staring at me because I'm mobbing a penny board. It's not that gay. Alright, we're here. Oscar's such a faggot. What? What?
Oh, Manuel said hi.
Tell
Manuel said hi.
Manuel said hi? Tell him what's up. I thought he was with his girl.
How's it going? Tell Manuel I said hi.
He's not here.
For real?
No.
Alright,
We got it done. So you just take the two caps off, turn the heater core on, and then just let it sit there and take the bubbles out, and then fill it as needed. Never mind, we're good.
They don't know it's mine or what?
No, I didn't upload that video yet.
I know, they don't know it's mine.
Alright, so I made a video.
I know, I close it. Alright, so we went to Cat City to pick up some teggies. Oh shit, my bad. So I went to go pick up some teggies, and I got this guy, but we had a lot of good footage, and the footage got corrupted. Sucks, a lot of jokes in that, but this is what we picked up. Super
And I got
cheap.
it back though.
Yeah, he got it back.
So yeah, you guys will probably already see it.
You've probably seen a sneak peek of it and wondered why and where this thing came from. But I got a super sweet deal on this thing. 95 DC2. It's my G and the 40 in the garage. We're gonna take her out tonight. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of vids, a lot of mods on the Teggy. So stay tuned.
Cut the front wheel to the pointing to the right. Pointing to the right. There you go. Alright, you're good. Sick.
Alright, this is my 1993 240SX. I've had her for a while. I haven't taken her out much. She's been in the garage, fixing up some suspension, putting some bushings on. Yeah, shout out to Manny. That's why I picked one up. Saw his 240. Needed to have one. Got one. My baby girl, you never see her too much. Hopefully, I just found the keys, so we'll get to be shooting some vids with her. Yeah.
Alright, we ran into a small problem. There's a hole right here, and there's a bunch of seeds in the back seat.
Like, there was a fucking rat in my car, dude. Like, seriously.
He's trying to blame it on the rat, but I'm like, nah, he's probably in there nibbling on the friggin' bag. Still mobbing the penny.
Oh. Like, what the fuck is this? I never even fucking seen that before.
Oh, what the hell is that? Alright, I'm trying to get a kickflip on this thing. Alright, I got you. I got you, Quentin. Ow! Never mind. Never mind. Alright, so We were like, what if this rat fucking chewed up a fuel line or something? And I thought, oh, well, it'd be spewing out some fuel, move your car back. Yep, it's definitely fuel. Fucking rats. Thanks, Manny. We were gonna go to a meet in it, but we're not now.
Hey.
What up? What's up? From what? Like,
remember that big ass fucking thing that I found?
Yeah, but
that's
like,
what it is.
Is it eating nuts in here or what?
Oh, you know what it is?
What?
It's an avocado pit. When we first got it, there was an avocado pit in here, and I dropped it in the fucking right here in this thing.
Oh shit, dude!
That night that we picked it up, I was like, "What the heck is this?" And it slipped out of my hand because it was still new and it fell in there.
Oh my gosh!
That's what it is.
It was nasty.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that is.
You know, like the avocado, how the center has a big ass ball.
Oh yeah,
That's a nut, dude.
Damn.
So how, you think it's probably still in here, dude?
They're probably still in here. It's probably still in here. Damn, dude, this thing is fresh. Nothing. Just talking to the YouTube. Yeah, we found what it was leaking from. And it's leaking from right on top of the fuel filter. See that? It's loose. So we're gonna pull the fuel pump fuse right here, let the car die, and pull the line off to see if it's ripped. Because I'm pretty sure that's it. So we have a little bit of slack right here so we can cut it if it is, and just bolt it back on. Clamp it. Alright.
That's not gonna work.
Yeah, it'll work. Pull that bitch up. And now listen.
Am I gonna hurt the car?
That's how you change the fuel pump and stuff.
Right now. Yeah, I'll call it.
Fuck you. Hello?
If I call you, answer.
No, I had a gas all over my hands.
It's probably important.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Shut up.
I did. What's up?
Where are you at now?
I'm at Josh's house. Bitch, hold
Do you have
on.
that money or no?
I'm not on me, no, but if you can give me a ride to my house, I can give it to you. Fuck you, Manuel.
That's why if you leave before I get back into town, I need the money for gas.
So what do you want me to do? I don't know. What do you want me to do?
You could just leave it under the mat at my house or something.
Fuck.
If you leave before I do.
Well, what time are you leaving?
I'm still in San Bernardino right now.
Fuck.
So who's taking your ticket, Josh?
Well, I don't know. If Manny will drive me, then yeah. Alright, we're cutting the top of this thing.
Oh, you're gonna.
We don't know if it's ripped or not. We can't tell. So we're just gonna cut it. What the fuck?
Is it sharp?
Dude, it's looser than a fucking cock. Or, I don't even know what the fuck it's called. Doler. Can't even kickflip that thing.
Damn. Oh, fuck. Alright.
Let me get a kickflip then.
Fuck no, kickflip is beast. Alright, try it one more time.
Go.
Damn! Hey!
Alright, one time. Can you put on some music real quick?
Alright.
Can I put on some music real quick?
Dude, this clutches.
Hey, romp it. Oh, dude. Ow, bitch.
Well, fucking move.
Fuck you, cuz.
Ah.
Hey, can we slap?
No.
Why not?
Alright. So, what we're doing right now. Manny, let me take his car. Oh my gosh. This clutch is so fucking light, dude. Alright, Manny, let me take his car. And I have to pay my friend Manuel real quick. No, I don't. I just need an excuse to take Manny's car.
I just made a porno right now.
Why?
I'm just kidding.
Bitch!
Hey, don't even record.
That's what I'm saying.
What
What you thinking, Oscar? Shit.
We're not gonna go to another meet right now?
Are you about to go to, is there another one or what?
Anthony! Alfonso!
Yo! Yo! That's what it is! Clutch kick that bitch! Oh, he got lucky the first time. You guys hit the bump too?
Yeah.
Damn.
I was like, boom! I was like, oh fuck, there goes my fucking headers.
He just whop, jump that bitch.
Fuck.
Chill. How's everyone feeling? How's everyone feeling?
Fuck off, Josh.
Yeah, that shit woke everyone up, huh?
Hey, Josh, shout out to my
Hey, I
girlfriend.
tried telling you.
Hey, Josh, shout out to my girlfriend.
Alright, shout out to fucking Manuel's girlfriend. I'll get this kickflip for you right quick. Alright, hold on, I'll get this kickflip for you. Hold on. Oh, I got you. Alright, for her. Fuck. Fuck that shit. Alright, get it. Oh shit! How do you feel about this? Huh? How do you feel about this?
It's pretty cool.
You got it?
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, let's play skate right now. Shit.
That fool's crying and
Hey, you almost fucking hit that blue car.
Oh fuck.
Hey, Nick, you better move. You can get right over it.
Mustang!
Hey, I'm just glad we're all safe right now. You never know what's gonna happen. Hell yeah, we out here! Hell yeah, mobbing with the homies. Hey. Hell yeah.
Looking out for your life, bro. Shout out to Alicia.
Before you die!
Huh?
Before you die!
Yeah, before I get ran over. Hey Josh, put it in the video.
Oh yeah, I will.
Alright, good.
Put that in the video?
Yeah.
That's 13. Where's that?
Run it,
Right here.
run it,
That's
run it.
13.
You about to do it?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. What the f- Oh shit!
Let's go.
Dude, I'm like, where the fuck are you guys? Ah! Alright, we're mobbing deep. Everyone's out. Everyone's out. Oh fuck, we're about to crash. Are we going to Denny's?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Oh, I ain't there.
Yeah, shout out to Oscar.
Oscar the bitch.
Yeah, for being a little bitch. Oh shit, this cop's gotta get someone. Who's he lighting up? Who's he getting? Pop.
Alright guys, what happened, Josh? We almost died, right?
Yeah, we legit almost died.
Yeah. Me,
Don't take
him,
that.
her, him, and her.
And us.
Yeah, they were going 70, but
Hey,
we were going like 110.
Right now.
And we fucking jumped that truck, fucking going at least 90 on the freeway. Hi Josh.
I'll fucking bomb all these and get diabetes.
And Josh hit like 20 cones on the freeway.
Hey.
Hey, but we're alive, huh? That's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
Hey,
Fuck yeah.
we're alive.
I miss my girl.
Yeah. Hey, me too.
Shoulda go home.
Hey, me
Yeah,
too.
mine's at home. Hey Josh. Oh, you're single?
Yeah.
Oh, tight.
Oh, you got
Hey.
that on camera?
Alright, whatever.
What's up?
No, sorry about that.
Yeah. Yeah. She's actually married. She's lying to you guys. But fucking, we're alive.
He's a rat.
For real,
Josh is
guys.
single. Hit him up.
Yeah.
He has a girlfriend.
Single
I think.
turbo.
I think.
He misses his girlfriend.
I'm married.
Oh yeah, I'm married too. We're both married. Dope as fuck.
Hey,
Oh.
hey,
To each other.
Yeah.
Hey, just so we get this on film right now, so it's proof, I call being the best man at Manor's wedding.
Oh. Wait, which one? There's two of us.
Yeah. You can't say both.
Both of them?
No.
Bitch, shut up.
Shut up,
This
bitch.
is on my fucking penny board, faggot.
Dude.
Oh.
I took it, I brought it.
Okay,
to my
this will
ankle.
end now.
Dude,
This will end
My
now.
ankles hurt. Dude, what the fuck?
It did?
Hey, how does Oscar sound when he left? Hey, how does Oscar sound when he left? How does he sound?
I don't fucking know.
bitch?
Nah, bitch, nah. Can't even kickflip that thing.
Damn.
Oh, bitch.
Hey, land on it so Josh could cut it out.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Alright.
Let me get a kickflip then.
Alright, Trey, one more time.
Go. Hey, land on it so Josh could. Damn! Hey. Alright, one time.
Oh, shit.
Hey, get on it, get on it. Get on it. Damn. Alright, you got it. Hey, you need to charge this piece of shit, Josh.
I have extra batteries.